Set up your company domain email on your iPhone Mail app. Ensure you have the correct SSL settings and mail server details. First, open the Settings app on iPhone and scroll to Apps. Now scroll to the Mail app. See All Mail App Settings. Tap on the Mail Accounts option and select the Add Account option. Enter your company email directly here or select the Choose from a List option. Select the Add Other Account option and Mail Account to add a new company email or IMAP and POP email setup. Enter your email account name. For example, company name. Now enter the company email in the email field and the correct password in the password field. You can set the email description yourself. Tap on Next and enter the correct details for IMAP. Keep your name, email, and description as they are. And change the host name under the mail server to mail.domainname. In the username field, enter your company email. Keep the autofilled password as it is. Under the Outgoing Mail server, enter smtp, your company domain name. The username and password fields are optional, or enter an email address in the username field and the mail account password in the password field. Now tap on Next to verify all the details with your email server. If you receive the error message "Cannot connect using SSL," select Connect without SSL, tap on Yes, and wait for a few minutes. For iPhone Mail setup, automatically select the port number as per your server connection type. Don't worry about that. After verifying all the details, the mail toggle will be enabled on the screen, allowing you to tap Done to add the company email to your iPhone Mail app. If you are getting any error, like IMAP server is not responding, then contact your hosting or email service provider. Before that, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and check whether it works. Now go to the iPhone Mail app and check recently added company email under the mailboxes. Wait a few seconds to load all emails in the inbox. That's it. If you have questions, comment below. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.